This is Dominique of Well Medical Arts, and I am bringing you a healing meditation today. I've wanted to do one for years, and this seems like the perfect time when we all need it. So, our purpose is to bring unity and peace and connect to the truth in ourselves and each other of who we really are. We want to start out by breathing. So, I want you all to lay down flat. Find a nice, comfortable spot where you are just sinking into the floor. And I want you to set aside all of your thoughts. Let everything go so that you can be present. We'll start with a toe-to-head relaxation meditation. Starting down at your toes, if your legs are crossed, uncross them. Let your arms and your legs relax, flap open. Feel those toes relax. And send that healing energy down towards your heels, your ankles. Identify that warm energy. Let it flow up your shins. Let it flow up the back of your calves. Feel your knees start to relax. Your quads relax. Your hips sink into the mat. Feel those hamstrings and glutes release. Let the whole lower body just relax and sink. Feel that energy flow up your low back, your mid back, and release your shoulders. Energy flows up your torso and your chest. And feel the energy come down your shoulders, your elbows, your wrists, the tip of your fingers. Feel everything just relax and let go. Let that energy travel up your neck. Relax your scalp, your forehead, your brows, your eyes, your jaw, your mouth. Let everything completely relax. Let your mind open. Let your heart be open. And connect the two. Connect the mind and the heart. As you feel more and more relaxed, I want you to go down, go inside yourself, connect to your higher self, and love yourself. Connect to your truth, that guiltless, perfect, whole child of God. We'll refer to your truth as your higher self, who's in unity and love with everyone and everything. Breathe in, sink deeper as you exhale. Completely relax into your truth of your higher self. Go deeper. Feel that warm, soft energy vibrating. Feel the peace, your peace. Now see the bright white silvery gold light in your mind's eye, like the sun. See the rays pulse behind your eyes. Feel the energy. This is the prana, the chi, the life force, the love. This is the truth about what you are. Now imagine the love grow. Let it grow and encompass your entire head, throat, warm your heart, your chest, your entire body down to your toes. Cover your body in a light bubble of love. As this, you are unlimited, powerful, healing love light. Let your love light shine bright. Now send that love light over your home, your neighborhood, your city, your entire country. See your brother's light illuminate. Cover them in the love light bubble. Imagine everyone's love light being turned on, activated. Everyone, leave no one behind. Keep your heart open. Forgive. And return to seeing bubbles of light illuminate across your country. There are so many bubbles of light amassing together. That's our unity. See the love lights illuminating over every continent. The Americas, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, around the globe, and from the North to the South Poles. Each person healed across the globe in the knowledge of the truth of who we are. The silvery gold dotted continents grow larger and brighter in their unity. And that light radiates around planet Earth, connecting and healing everyone and everything. We connect as a one, as our one self, our powerful light. The one self radiates out of the solar system and through the entire universe. Every person, everything that exists in the entire universe is as it should be, connected with the love light of God. Feel the peace. Feel the love.